Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to block ads on Facebook using a few simple steps. If you're tired of seeing the same ads again and again, this method will really help. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once the app opens, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now, at the top of the screen, tap on the settings gear icon to open your account settings. Inside the settings menu, look for Account Center and tap on it. After that, scroll down a little and select Ad Preferences. Here, Facebook shows you a list of advertisers whose ads you've recently seen in your feed. Now, tap on any advertiser you don't want to see ads from anymore. Simply choose the Hide Ads option to block ads from that advertiser. Facebook will notify you that these changes may take up to 24 hours to fully apply, so don't worry if you still see some ads right away. And that's it. Those ads should stop showing up very soon. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.